welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, well, there's nothing on my desk, but it was nice enough that UPS dropped off this big box from round 2. Look at this. Holy smokes, right? I didn't cheat and look at the packing list. It's still sealed. Oh, what are you doing standing over there? Come on over. Let's open it up. All right, now that you're in here close, let's open it up. You gotta be real careful so you don't cut any of the stuff that may be underneath. Okay, there we are. Okay, tape on there. All right, I think we're good. All right. Okay. Ooh, they packed it up really good. Get this paper out of there. I think they... Ooh, right away, look at this. Look at this. Cadillac ambulance. That's sweet. That is awesome. Look at that stretcher. Get a stretcher on there. Cool. Oh, and you guys been waiting for this one, and I have too. The new Demon kit is in there. Check that out. This is exciting. I think this might be the first one to build out of the box. Very cool. When we get this box open, we'll go closer and look at them closer together. Oh, we got an Oldsmobile W30 on it. That is sweet. These are great kits. Oh, and at the bottom, we got a big truck. That's cool. Man, that is neat. All right, let me get this box out of here. We'll look at them closely together. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today. All right, well, here's the first one out of the box, that Cadillac ambulance. That's pretty cool. Look at that decal sheet. See that? That's sweet. Stretcher? That's pretty cool. There's the underneath. You can take a look at that. Now, we've recognized this setup before on an older issue, but it has brand new parts in there, stock grill, and new updated features. This side, oh, here we go. This is the side I want to show you. There you go. Look at that. That cool stretcher. That is neat. Look at this ambulance sirens and stuff. Emergency cabinet. New white walls and hubcaps. Only from the cats at AMT. Cool stuff. This is going to be an exciting build. Let's grab another one. Here it is. You guys been waiting. Me too. The new Dodge Demon. This is neat stuff. Look at all the stuff you get. There's a 340 engine. 4-speed. Got drag slickers. Mirrors. There's our underneath. Great. There's the other side. Oh, I like these decals. Look at that. See them decals? Let's get in there a little closer. Spoiler, hood scoops, steering wheel. This is going to be a neat build. I think this is going to be the first one out of the box to be built. All right. Get ready for that. Look for that soon. Let's grab the next one. And there's an Oldsmobile 442 W30. That's a pretty car. I like that vinyl roof. Look at this. Look at that scoop. I had no idea. 400 engine, 2 barrels. I'm sorry, 3 barrels. Cool. Come about custom wheels, buckets. There's the underneath. Neat stuff. It's got separate frame rails. This is a neat one too. Wow, this is detail. I've never had this kit before. Great stuff. There's the other side. It's got red line tires, it says. Great. That is a neat kit. That's going to be exciting too. And then this one's pretty big. This is the Dodge truck and trailer in one unit. Now, you see me build this truck set before. It's the old IMC tooling, but from what I understand, they've cleaned it up and made it a lot nicer. So, and plus you get these cool decals. Look at them. That's cool. Drag Team. Neat stuff. This has always been a great kit. You just got to take your time on it, you know, and see what you're doing. Cab tilts, doors open. You got some racing ramps. Put any drag car on there. This is cool stuff. There's your, oops, got upset. Oh, I had it right. I'm silly. There's the back. There's your trailer stuff there. Decal sheet, your cab. And then everything else here, your glass and whatnot. Cool stuff. Yeah, this is exciting. This is going to be an exciting few weeks here on the channel. So, stay tuned. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. And I do appreciate all your support and likes and shares and everything and comments that you guys give. So, until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.